This is the Tiger brand rescue knives. We have the police knife, firefighter's knife, and the EMT knife. All three of these knives are spring-assisted opening. There's a nice snap to it. There's a Tonto, black finish Tonto blade with a police insignia on it. Partially serrated blade. Dual thumb studs. All metal handles. Pocket clip. Has a built-in seat belt cutter and a built-in glass breaker. This is the firefighter's version. It has firefighter written on the blade. This is not a switchblade knife. It's a spring-assisted knife which eases the opening of the blade. This is the EMT version. Nice snapping action. Very rugged knife. Well built.